Hey everybody, how's it going? We have an interesting project here today. It's a vase that I found this in a secondhand store, and it has these glass wrappings that come around the side on both sides, so it kind of divides it in a strange way. So I taped those. I was going to leave them either blank or maybe paint them a contrasting color, or I'm not sure yet. So this is going to be a challenge because, as you can see, if you pour from up here, it's not going to cover it like it does the rest of the vases where it just kind of drips down. It's probably going to follow this somewhat. So I don't know how much paint this is going to take, and it should be a very interesting project. The vase that I have underneath of here is just a practice vase I had for painting and etching, and I've done all kinds of stuff to it. And the top of the vase that we're painting today is slanted, like the opening where you'd put the flowers is actually slanted, which is also going to be a challenge because I don't know if the paint's going to go more this way or that way. I don't know. So what we're going to use today is Liquitex Basics, Ultramarine Blue, and Mars Black mixed together that I did myself. Unbleached Titanium, Rose Pink, and this Quinacridone Magenta. Looks like that. Alright, and I just put them in a bowl, and I think I'm going to try to start here and just keep pouring paint till everything's covered. Alright, so, I'm going to show you, before we start, what the vase looked like before I taped it, so you get an idea of what is underneath of this. Okay, here's close up. So we'll do the top first. And then we'll come down this side. And I went ahead and removed the tape partway through the pouring because I thought that I was getting such a marbled effect that it would kind of take care of itself and just add some dimension to the vase instead of painting it afterwards. So we're going to spin this way. I really like that, how it looks like it's solid pink and then you get to the bottom and it's got a little different area. It's still dripping a little bit, but I'm loving all the different patterns that you're getting with this. You can see every color I used. Nothing got really overrun. I think this is going to go in my top 10. That's awesome. I like this little line right here. It comes through. I know it looks like I touched that, but I didn't. And there we go. I think this turned out beautiful. And I'm glad I waited so long to do it, actually, because I really think I really came up with a nice color pattern. And I didn't rush it, so I think it turned out much better than if I had just did it on a whim. Alright, so there we go. Don't forget to find us on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a wonderful week.